Mukhang matagal-tagal ba makakabalik si Jason Tatum? Is a new era coming for the Celtics? With a torn Achilles, Tatum is out for the rest of the playoffs and even most, if not all, of next season. Pagbalik ni Tatum, baka ibang-iba na ang Celtics, pati na rin ang kanyang laro. New owners always make a splash. And dahil nga wala si Tatum, and ang mahal ng luxury tax ng Celtics, the new owners might break up this championship-winning, very expensive core. Possible trade targets? Porzingis and Jrue Holiday. Tatum will also never be the same. Remember, Kobe Bryant only played 3 more seasons after tearing his Achilles. Kevin Durant has also lost some explosive step, pero 6 seasons after tearing his Achilles, malupit pa rin. So there's hope. Look, ang daming hindi sure, pero ang sure lang dito, banner number 19 will have to wait a little longer for the Celtics.